Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Florence, Tuscany. We are in the historical center about to visit an incredible apartment. It is located 3 minutes to the Duomo Square and within 5 minutes reach to all of the main services. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The apartment is located on the second level of an historical palazzo from the 1800s. It can be accessed both by stairs and elevator. The entire building belonged to Giuseppe Poggi, one of the historically most renowned architects of this city. He designed Piazzale Michelangelo and several of the most important villas in the hills of Florence. The apartment opens with a spacious entrance room, ideal to take off your coat, your shoes, and store them in the wardrobe space on this side. If we look up, we already begin noticing some impressive centuries-old frescoes, and from this room we connect to all of the other rooms, the kitchen, the bedrooms, the bathrooms. But first, let's begin with the living space. Doubtlessly one of the most beautiful and impressive rooms of the entire apartment. From here, we already begin to understand the strength points of this property. Let's begin from these incredible frescoes on the ceiling. They are antique, centuries old, and perfectly intact. They have been restored professionally together with the rest of the apartment in the end of 2022. We believe they were made by the outstanding Annibale Gatti. He worked closely with Giuseppe Poggi and has painted and signed several other frescoed ceilings in the same building. Another aspect to mention is that this whole side of the apartment is overlooking the internal garden of the Palazzo. It has been shaped like a painter's board in honor of Annibale Gatti. The real beauty of this feature is not only the incredible view we have on the tip of the dome, the lush nature we can see in the middle of the city every time we look out of the window, but it is this pure, full tranquility, which is rare to find in the historical center of the city. You can literally hear the birds chirping and leave the windows open and have total silence. Literally like being in a villa in the city center. Let's now mention the incredible layout of this property. We begin with these two large rooms. The first one over here is a large reception space, which is also a dining area if you have guests. They are separate but interconnected. They are both full of beautiful natural light. The second room on this side is more contained but still full of light, really high ceilings, and dedicated to a TV space. The apartment is 274 square meters with 2 bedrooms up to 4 and 3 bathrooms. The entire systems have been recently updated. It includes radiators for heating and a brand new air conditioning system. The kitchen is without a doubt one of my favorite rooms of the house. Here you can truly understand how well the restoration has been done and has been blending the historical soul and all of the beautiful historical details of the apartment together with modern, clean, and refined finishes. The kitchen is one large space filled with natural light thanks to these 2 large windows right behind me. At the same time, it is divided into two interconnected rooms. The first one over here is the fully equipped kitchen with this beautiful island over here with a bar area on this side, while on this other side we find the second room with a dining space. It is of industrial grade and made with several materials. We have wood over there, ceramic finishes on the island, and on this side we have this beautiful stainless steel. Very useful. Right behind me, this door leads to a laundry space and a pantry area. Let's begin with the bedrooms. They are currently 2, but can be increased up to 4, since some of the spaces are used as home offices. We begin with the first one. This room is currently a large office space, beautifully filled with natural light and embellished by its original tiles on the floor. We also find high ceilings, maximized by a useful mezzanine space. This room can be easily turned into a bedroom with a wardrobe on the upper level. I love this large window, typical of antique palazzos, granting lots of natural light. We have the beautiful detailed floors, which are also antique. Just like the room we've just seen, we have double height ceilings with exposed wooden beams, and this height has been used and maximized with a mezzanine level, which can be another useful space. I love the detail on these stairs that go up. It has been finished with plexiglass to show all the way through and maximize everything that you see in this room. In the end of the hallway, we access to a large bathroom, which is ideal as a bathroom for the common areas, but also can be assigned to one of the bedrooms. On this other side over here, we find a beautiful bedroom, which is currently used as a walk-in wardrobe and is ideal as a single bed bedroom. It is on 2 levels with a mezzanine level and also has its ensuite bathroom. Have a look. Welcome to the last bedroom. This is probably the most beautiful. It has these high ceilings with these incredible frescoes in excellent condition. We see the air conditioned over here. We find the wooden floors just like in the living area. Through this door we get to the ensuite bathroom with shower, and through the other one over there we have a walk-in wardrobe. I love how this bedroom is overlooking the internal garden, so here, even with an open window, there is total silence. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you liked this apartment just as much as I did. I think it is both suitable for somebody that wants a residence in Florence, because this is such a large property. At the same time, it is very suitable as an investment. It can be either rented as a whole space or separated very comfortably into rooms. This apartment is very interesting for its location. We are very central in an excellent position. At the same time, its beauty is truly also in its tranquility, because here you can leave the windows open, you can have the breeze pass through and have total silence, the birds chirping, and you look out the window and you have a beautiful garden and the dome of Florence. I think it is such a rare feature to find in the historical center, and I hope you liked it. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!